So let's go ahead and work on that long back tissue. This is where you're going to get a chance to use both of your strokes. And again, on ribs, we don't use the compression stroke, but now you're going to get a chance to use both of your strokes. If your horse has a sore back, you will not be able to use two hands here, okay? They'll be wiggling all over the place. So I'm going to show you two techniques. One for a horse's back is not that sore, and one for a horse that has a bit more of a reactive back. If your horse's back is not sore, you can literally take your hands right at that flank swirl, right where we ended from our last region, fingers pointed forward, and you can just slide all the way forward and start your effleurage stroke. Okay, two hands up. Now remember, we found that shelf of the ribs already. I know where I'm not passing over. So I know exactly where my hands are going to go. And I'm going to come all the way forward till I bump into that scapula. Okay, and we can do our nice effleurage strokes just like this. Okay, I'm going to do the whole routine for a horse that will allow two hands. All right, once this starts to warm up and I feel a bit of a change, I'm going to start my compression stroke. Press in. Remember, I'm not grasping. I'm going to press in, slide forward. Press in. Now you guys know why I stand and Cassidy stands on a stool all day, because this is a little hard on your shoulders when you have to keep your shoulder up and press down. Okay. And press in. Now I'm going to ease back. No pressure coming back. And I'm going to do my compression strokes. All right. I'm going to do those until the back warms up. Now, this is the question always with backs. What if this part warms up, this doesn't, and this doesn't, you know, and so we've got one little spot that warms up quicker than the other spots, okay? You're just going to ease over that spot. So let's say this is my area here that warms up quicker. I'm going to compress in till I get there. I'm going to ease over that spot and I'm going to compress in. Okay? And we're going to work towards the heart with our compression strokes, just like that, okay? If your horse's back is sore, you're not going to be able to do that big long passes. They're going to duck away from you and move away from you.